Hello, welcome to Shaw the Cook. Our today's recipe is cheesy vegetable nachos. This appetizer is delicious and quick and easy to prepare. This is a perfect party food. It takes no time, no mess. It's very easy. Also, it's healthy. So let us start. So over here we have some nachos. These are very easily available in the market. These are tortilla nachos. Then we have some finely chopped vegetables. We have tomatoes, we have capsicum, onions and cilantro. Some nice processed cheese and mixed herbs. This has thyme, parsley, salt, garlic and all the herbs. So we're gonna start. We have placed nachos over here, you can see, and on the top we are just gonna put the grated cheese. Next we are gonna put tomatoes. Next let's add in green capsicum, then onions. Now let's add in mixed herbs. It gives a very nice flavor. Then we're gonna season it with some salt. And lastly let's add in some cilantro for that nice flavor. And lastly we are topping it up with some more grated cheese in small quantity, not too much, just a little bit. So now we're going to pop it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. And if you want to keep it in microwave, keep it only for 1 minute and just keep it for until your cheese melts. So it's going into the oven at 250 degrees Celsius until our cheese melts, or for about 3 to 4 minutes. So our cheesy vegetable nachos are ready, and you can see it's so simple. It takes no time. It has so many colorful vegetables. It's perfect to give to your kids. They are gonna love it, and has that cheesy flavor. It is just perfect. Serve it with some sour cream as a dip and enjoy it. Do let us know how does it looks. I cannot wait to try it. So you even do try it and let us know how does it comes out. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.